Hi everyone, so this is Andrew from Total Window Service, and in my today's video I'm gonna talk about exterior window cleaning with using rope descent system. And right now I am in Flushing, Queens, New York, and this is our next project. We are cleaning exterior of this large building. Technically it's a complex of buildings, consists from two separate buildings. One of them is over here behind me, and the other one we already started. So you can see my technicians, they already cleaning and finishing. Some of them finishing the drop, some of them going on the second drop. So the process of cleaning for exterior window cleaning usually is simple. Two rope system. We have adequate anchor points which capable of holding 5,000 pounds, two separate ropes, and we have it calls a bonsoir, a seat, one man, I would say scaffolding, I guess, for people who's not in the industry, just to explain better. And it's one-man operation, rappel from the building, nice and simple. It's a lot more simple than actual rope access, although elements of the rope access are present in here. What we do mostly, it's rappel the rope, like climbers, like rope access work. It's very similar. And once we clean, usually squeegee washers, that's what the tools that we use. Scrapers sometimes, if you have some tough dirt stick to the glass that needs some lifting, we use razor blade. I know many people think that razor blade, it's not safe for the glass and can scratch the glass. However, most of the tools that we use are designed for the glass cleaning purposes. Of course, scraping the glass, sometimes you have to be careful. You need to test the glass when you're using a scraper if it's not scratching it. But in most cases it's not. But sometimes it happens. Right now, modern tempered glass, it's more sensitive to scratches and more chances to scratch it. So usually we go over the glass, test couple pieces. I personally talk with my guys about scratching the glass and how to avoid it, and what to do if you see that the tools are scratching. Usually there's different approaches. Second best is steel wool. Sometimes it's a little longer to work with, but it's definitely effective. Those two towers, more or less okay, but over here we have to clean all these bridges, all the canopies over here, interior and exterior. When I did an estimate, I gave a really detailed estimate on this building, and technically, normally I give one price and it includes everything, or excludes something, but most of it is included. In this case, I did this estimate long time ago, and I was asked to do separate price for different areas because they were not sure which areas they're gonna do and which not. So the estimate was long as the toilet paper, and all these stores, technically I separated most of them. The canopy cleaning I separated, and I put exterior cleaning only. Perhaps at that time it was not as bad as it is right now. Now I kind of see it, and I would probably didn't even go for exterior cleaning only, I mean the top portion cleaning only, and it gives a little bit of that discount to the price, because sometimes it's just not necessary to clean that bottom. So the other thing, commercial window cleaning in New York City becoming more and more popular trade, and it's becoming more difficult, I would say, for window cleaning companies the complexity of the buildings that are built right now on particularly different level, right? We know the designs and crazy designs that, especially in New York, these designers, I don't know if they're thinking about cleaning when they're building the buildings, but in many cases they just don't. Or they assume, okay, guys will do it anyway. And this is what we do. We go for it. We find a way to do it. We use different methods. Ropes, one of the most popular. The other popular method is bucket trucks, right? But everything has its limits, right? Bucket truck, you cannot get bucket truck or boom lift into this space and get all the way to the top. Just you can't do that, right? But in some areas you cannot tie the rope and do the job, and you need a bucket truck or boom lift, right? So or scissor lift, depends what is more convenient and what's safer and what's better. Ropes tend to be the most flexible way of doing it. Of course, it has its height limit. We don't clean like very big skyscrapers with using rope access. Although in some countries people do it. In New York it's very strict, big limitations, but most of the large buildings, probably 20 stories and up, not all of the 20 stories, but most of them, they have BMUs installed, and right now new buildings requirements to install the BMU on the roof. It's a special designed scaffolding. It could be like a boom lift system, or it could be davit system. Different systems for different buildings, right? And I'm sure like many of you have seen an accidents that happened with the scaffolds and things like that. It does happen. Weather is always our biggest problem, right? If the weather is bad, if it's too windy, I would say not even weather, wind. You can work when it's hot because you can put some hat on. You can cover yourself. You can work when it's even cold. Not too cold, of course, but when it's too windy, the work just has to be stopped. Two reasons. First, safety, because your ropes sometimes just fly around. If you're on a scaffold somewhere high up, your scaffold will just fly around. So you need to check the weather always, if it permits to do the job. On the ropes, of course, smaller building, wind can be a little bit harsh, but still making you a problem. When you clean it, all the dirt just flies down, and you cannot properly clean that glass, right? It's either gonna be drying too fast, or it's gonna be just spilling water all over the building on the things that you already cleaned. And it's a big problem, right? Because you wanna deliver the best possible result. Oh, we have Michael over there. Michael is one of our best technicians, and he's from Ukraine. He likes rope access a lot. He said that this part of job, because we do a lot of different things, and rope access is the most exciting part. Honestly, I am with you, Michael. When I was starting in window cleaning, I could do this for free, literally. You don't have to pay me. I will hang on the rope and do my job. You will take the money. I will go happy and fulfilled with all those emotions that we receive when we go on the rope. And this is Dmitry. He's a starter, right? He knows already. Look how high he is. It's pretty high, 12 floors. No problem for Dmitry. Just jump into the chair, slide down, clean, and go. All right, he's a little bit slower with the cleaning because he doesn't have that much of the experience in actual cleaning. But he's learning, and he wants to do it. That's the thing. That's a good part about the people who actually do it, and they want to do it. Look at the Dmitry. Look how he's cleaning. Well, this is what I'm trying to explain to all of my guys. You have to clean the entire panel. That's how you're gonna be fast. And I know that Dmitry. Look. Remember my words. This guy is gonna be faster than most of my current guys who has experience for like 2-3 years. he's gonna be faster. He just need time. He just need like 3 or 4 weeks, not weeks, month, additional to what he already has to do it faster and with good quality. All right, guys, so this was Andrew, Total Window Service. I had a good talk with you today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, and I don't know if you like these videos that I'm making, leave a comment, and I'll see you then, and tell me which video, like what kind of service you want to see next.